feel good. Today, I'm gonna share with you something really special to me because when I started on Instagram several months ago, I was really upset because I didn't know how to organize my journey. I was not in the marketing first. I was a computer science engineer working in a big company, and when I found myself working for myself, and I had to, do all the things that we are doing as business owners, and the journey is really long. And I didn't know how to organize my days, and I didn't know how to plan on Instagram because I really love the tools. I think that Instagram is a really wonderful app, and I really wanted to know how to use it. So since I implemented the things that I'm gonna share with you today, I started one month ago, sorry, and I definitely think that this is a good way of working. So I'm going to share with you how I work on Instagram, and also the tool that I use, because that tool is really something that I didn't really know it until I learned. I think it was probably Jenna Kutcher. Yeah, she was talking about it, and I decided to try, and I gave it a try, and it was pretty good. So I'm gonna share my screen. So you're gonna go on my shoulder and see what I'm gonna share with you. Okay, so this is it. This is the plan tools, the plannthat tools. So this is really something that I like doing. And so here we are. Maybe you're on, you just have the audio. So I'm gonna try to just explain you how I work. So for my brand, I had two things to develop. First, the sales. As a business owner, in MLM, we have both things to do. It's sell our products, and also we have to attract people, and by explaining them what we do, in fact, and that's how we recruit people. So I had to develop two things. So I choose two colors. So this is how I work on Instagram. So as I work for with an aloe vera company, I've decided to choose the green because this is how aloe is. Aloe is green. So yeah, I got a plant here. So maybe I could show you, but probably you know what is aloe vera. So if you don't know, you just have to Google it and you're gonna see. So I've chosen the green color, and then for all my business stuff, I've chosen the pink because I love pink. That's one of my favorite color. Not that I'm wearing it because I think that it's not the color that I would wear, but I really love the color, and I would taste. I also use it for my landing pages. By the way, I'm gonna show you how to make a landing page in another episode. But in this episode, I'm gonna show you how I work on Instagram and with the plannthat tool. And this is also important, I think, because I'm using it for the weekend. I've noticed that Instagram as this something special. If you stop posting on the weekend, I've discovered that on Monday you don't have great results, and sometimes your posts are not seen by a lot of people. So this is preferable if you could also plan your post on the weekend, because I'm definitely against working on weekend because I used to do it as a project manager in a big company, and this is something that I want to avoid. That's why I'm now working on my own. So I'm using that wonderful tool, which is called sorry, plannthat. So that's great. So the tool is divided in different sections, so you can just create, or you have a calendar also, and that that's the thing that I use a lot, the calendar. So I have a calendar here, and I know exactly what I have posted for the month. You see? So this is really important for me to have that planification tool, so that I know that every day I work both on my sales and on my business stuff. So here I always have a green and a pink. So as you can see here, I've made a try. So this is something that I've tested. So I had good results during the week, and I didn't post on the weekend, and I didn't plan on the weekend, and I've noticed that the results on the Monday were not so good, and that I had to work harder and harder to have more people seeing my post, and so I've decided this week to post on the weekend, because I've seen that this is really important to stay consistent. I don't know how to say it. We have to work every day. So if we're not working, we have to plan it. So this is a wonderful thing to see that with Plan, you can plan on the weekend, and you can do it for months, So I have decided now that I will do it for 1 week. So I'm planning on the Friday for the whole week. So that's why I am still working on it. So when I recorded this, it was on Friday. Okay, so that's why you can see that on my screen. So here we are. The things that I also use are the hashtags. So I've got all my hashtags here, and this is really helpful because you just have to select. I'm going to show you how to create a post, and I also have here the strategies, but I don't really use them because I'm creative. So I always have a lot of ideas. So that's something that I don't use. But if you sometimes have a lack of ideas, this is good for you, because here you can have like ideas to post inspiring quotes and lifestyle product shows if you don't really know. But I am not that kind of person, so that's great. Until now, it never happened to me that I used the strategy. And then here you have the results. So that's pretty good also to have all the stuff here. You can see everything. So that's great. So as I'm saying it, I'm not like the #1 Instagrammer of the world, not yet. But if you're brand new on Instagram and want to plan, and this is a great tool. And then here you have also reply stuff that you could also use in order to reply to all the comments that you have. And that's it. For instance, I'm gonna try to create a new post for next week. So for March the 30th. So I just say, create post. I could also create a story, but this is just to plan. You have to go on Instagram if you want to create your story then, but you can prepare it here. And then I have the possibility to create and to select my pictures, my photos directly from different places. So I can access to my computer, go to Dropbox, Google Photos, Google Drive, free content also on Pixabay, and so on and so forth. And then you have Canvas here. So that's basically how I work. Also, I will show you next week probably how I work and how I prepare all my stuff on Canvas, because I have like a huge stock creations on Canva, so that I can just pick all the things. In fact, I'm doing that sometimes when I have time. I'm just creating stuff on Canva, so that's how it goes. It's fast when you just have to plan them. So just have to select, here. So I'm connected on Canva now. but from plannthat. So that's good. There is something really great that they did really good job. So as a computer science engineer, I can tell you that this is really a good product because there is no bug and there is all there. This is a, I would say, really a good product. This is something great. So let's say that I'm gonna post something about, because I'm actually doing like a program to lose weight. This is the C9 from Forever Living product. By the way, if you want to try this, is you're welcome. You can go to my page and see how it looks like, and if you want to try it, that's great. I would be really happy to have you with me on that journey, you know, losing weight. You know, I'm often in front of the computer, so you know, I'm not doing a lot of exercise, and sometimes I have to lose 1 or 2 kilos just in order to feel good. So that's why I'm doing it. And also I had a back pain because I'm always sitting on I'm trying to do some exercises, but sometimes it's just like very hard, and I feel that I need to lose 1 or 2 kilos. So that's why I'm doing the C9. So if you want to join me on the journey, that would be great. I would be happy. So then here I've selected the picture, the Canva that I did, and then I published. So this is in French because I'm a French speaker language, but I also feel comfortable in English, so that's why I'm doing it in English today. So here we are. I'm doing it. So Canva's just sending all the things to plannthat. So you know, I can just imagine all the engineering stuff around that, you know, with all the information going from an app to another app. I just love that. So here we are. I've just so obviously you've seen I started today, and then I planned for day 4 on Monday, and now I'm doing the day 5. So here we are. So here I'm gonna just take some text that I prepared up here. I'm just taking the hashtags. So there is really something interesting that they had. It's that you can, I'm going to show you how. This is the first comment place here. So you can put your hashtags here so that your captions are not like disturbed by all the hashtag stuff and so on and so forth. So this is a brand new thing that they have implemented, and this is really something helpful, I think. And I'm using it. And then here I'm going to take another, up. Okay, here I'm going to take the text. So this is the day 5 of my C9 challenge. See, it's still very easy to follow with the guide included. I feel lighter in my, so I'm going to change all that. Okay, remember, this is the right moment to do it. Yes, this is all my text, and here it is the link to my shop. So if you want to join, I would be happy. So you'll just have to contact me, click on the button. I think I will just put a link, whatever the tool you're using, whatever it is on YouTube and or Facebook or Instagram. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you all the instructions, the call to actions. Okay, so here we are. You can also do something really interesting. So you can post now, you can save as draft. That's something that I use sometimes if I want to post something really quickly, and then I'm not on my cell phone, but I'm on the computer, so I can make it. But now I'm gonna choose a custom time, but I have also the possibility, because I think that the algorithm is really good. So you can also select the best time to post. So plannthat can select the best time to post, or it can select when your audience is most online. So this is the things that I use, but I love using I know when my audience is on, generally, because my audience is not like, I mean, I don't have a lot of people, but maybe sometimes Maybe quickly I'm gonna use the other possibilities, but now I think I'm just gonna use the custom time. So here we are. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna say, so I'm gonna do it on, okay, I'm gonna click here to have the calendar. So this is on the 30, and I'm gonna make it at 12. Okay, here we are. And then I said schedule post, and I can see that my post is on the other screen on the right. So here I can see, so it is in blue. So this is plan. That means that it is planned, and that it's gonna be, it is scheduled for the time I have planned. And then I can also have a look to what it will look like, what my grid will look like. I'm sorry. Blah blah blah. And then you can see that I have my two colors, and that's, I think that this is a good looking, so I'm gonna keep it that way. But I could also change the up. I could also, change and decide if it's not at the right place, and I can play with the grid. So thank you for listening to me. I'm really enjoyed because I feel, I love how it looks like. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to have more info about that, you can just send me an email. If you want to try plan that, I'm gonna put also a link under this video or under the audio, and you're gonna you can try. You have a 30-day trial, but you'll also, if you choose a paid version of the tool. Personally, I have paid because I needed to. This is another aspect that we're gonna see. I really needed to have. So I'm gonna just stop that. Okay. So. This is something I've decided to finally pay for the version, because I needed to put also on Facebook and LinkedIn, and the free version only allows you to do it on one app. So I've decided to start with Instagram, and then I really needed to. In fact, I need to manage my time. So when I can do one thing, one action instead of three, I'm doing it. So I pay for it because I need to save time. I not need to save money, I need to save time. So that's why I've paid for this version. I'm really happy that I share that with you. I hope it will serve you, and my mission is to help you, to serve the many. I really enjoy having you here. And so see you next week for another episode of this podcast, or audio or video, whatever it is. And hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Hope you like this video. To be sure you don't miss our latest videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support. God bless you and your business too.